All right, so to make our Cajun tofu steaks, we're going to prepare the marinade first. Our olive oil, our lemon juice, our garlic, and every little bit of our garlic. Our coarse salt, cayenne pepper, and of course the paprika. Okay, and then stir it all up together. And then you're going to add your tofu steaks to the marinade. I have a separate video on how to prepare tofu in case this is your first time. It's very easy. Whether you use a dish or a plastic bag or some other way to combine your marinade and your tofu, whatever works for you. And then you're going to refrigerate this for an hour or two and broil or bake it. Just depends on which one you choose, but it's usually 15 to 20 minutes per side. For me anyway, until I get the consistency that I want. And that's it. Delicious Cajun tofu steak served up with steak sauce or whatever you want. Enjoy.